Hey again, Trades here. You know, we're having a really nice day out here. I can't believe it. Sun's shining, snow's melting. It's about 60 degrees. I'm actually hot just in my t-shirt. But I drug out that M1A Scout that I've been working on. We've done a few parts on it, how I got it, what we've done to it, what was wrong with it. Anyway, I'm ready to sight it in, see how it shoots. I don't want to do it until I'm set. I don't want to finish up the stock until I'm satisfied with it. I had to go through the sights. There was a couple of issues in here. We talked about all that earlier. So I want to run some ammo through it, see how it functions, and see what kind of group it holds, see if it'll sight in. And I've just set it up on dead zero, and I've got it set at 200 yards. I'm going to run some Australian military surplus M14 ammunition through it. It's date stamped 1968, marked L2A. So we'll see how that works in it. And later on, if I like it, I can't make up my mind if I'm going to take this cover off and remove this Scout scope mount. Maybe put an M14 cover on it. We'll see. I'm not sure. But let's shoot it and see what happens. Give the ears. Of course, just when I get ready to shoot, the wind comes up. I got a nice crosswind now. Oh, well, I guess so. First shot on that 200-yard dinger, boom. Maybe that was just luck. Just my buddy out here made me look bad the other day, so see if I can redeem myself. Well, I like that. That's a good sign. I definitely like this muzzle brake. I've got to say, there's just no felt recoil in this thing. None. I mean, I'm shooting it one-handed and I have no sense of any muzzle jump at all. That's great. I didn't think I'd like this thing, but I'm warming up to it. Very nice. I'm really happy with this. Very happy with it. Try a little rapid fire and see how it goes. As my buddy was saying, I gotta get those zombies. Oh yeah, I'm definitely a happy guy. You know, I wasn't allowed to talk about it, but I'm going to do it anyway, since it seems that I've got a zombie rifle without a scope. But you know what I like to do? I don't like to shoot them right off in the head. There's no fun in that. So what I like to do is like take off an arm and a leg, and they kind of spin around in circles, and you can shoot at them. You got a little moving target, just for fun. It's something to do, especially at 200 yards. Oh yeah! Oh, I'm telling you what. We can have some fun with this baby. Woohoo! We won't waste ammo at this place. She's clear. She is. Oh, I'm liking this thing. I really do. This is going to be fun. Well, maybe we'll finish this thing up and shoot it some more later, but we got other things we want to shoot today. But I want to make sure that everybody's as happy with this thing as I am. I'm really pleased. This is going to be a lot of fun. So there you are. There's our M1A. We kind of picked up on the inexpense. We didn't pay a lot for it. We had to do a little work. Not quite done yet, but it's really coming along. I'm very happy with it. So I think I'll wrap this up for now. Anyway, remember, stay aware and take care. Also, we fly the right flag. Why don't you plan up and get that just before we close out. See you next time.